Hey there, how are you doing? Thank you so much for checking out this video. This is Ash from Fetch Profits. If you are a content creator like me, and if you were trying to sell, host, and manage your courses on a platform, you have several options. But a lot of options require you to pay upfront. A lot of options will not give you the full-fledged customizability that some platforms require and you will need to sell your courses successfully. Some platforms and have severe limitations on what you can sell and how you can sell, and many other things of that sort, which I've expressed in great detail about all of these in the links below on my blog at fishprofit.com/blog. The Payhip, if you've already known about it for a while now, has recently released a new feature for courses. So you can sell courses on Payhip absolutely for free with a free plan. You can get a copy of Payhip at fetchprofits.com/Payhip, and you can get access to Payhip right away for free, and you can follow along, or you can start experimenting by hosting your new course there and see how it works out. And having said that, here's Payhip on the screen right now, and all you have to do if you have an account is to just sign in Payhip account. If you've already had products on Payhip, they will all be showing up here. As you can see, some of these are online courses, some of these are ebooks. I have a existing course here, Start Email Newsletter for Free, which I can show you how it looks like in a while. But to start a new course and to host a new course, get to the top menu and click on products. On the top right corner, you will find a blue button that says add new product, and just click on add new product. Now you will be given an option of choosing what kind of product do you want to actually get started with. So you have a digital product, a physical product, course, or a coaching service, or you also have a subscription billing for your services if you run any of those. This particular video is about courses, so let's go click on courses. So you'll get an option to add a course title here. Just add your course title and click on add course. Once you do that, your product is ready and it will take you through an interface as to what you want to do with your course. So I'm going to show that to you by using an existing course that I have. Click on manage for this particular course, and you will notice that I have a course title here, I have module section title, and I have individual lessons right here, and that repeats itself whatever the course takes. So module name and individual lesson names, and if you click on any of the individual lesson names, you will get to see that you can add a title, choose a lesson type. Now you will notice that you will have lots of lesson types that you could add. You could add a video, you could add a survey, you could add an assignment for that particular module or for that particular lesson. You can embed videos from YouTube, from Vimeo, or from any other source, or even from your own website. You can add a download, such as a PDF download or anything of that sort, as a lesson, or you can even add plain text, or you can add a quiz. Most popular format for courses is usually video. So if you click on video, you will get the option of adding a video. Now you have an option to choose Payhip's own video hosting called Payhip Video, which costs you around $9 a month, which is optional. You can use that. And if you do that, then you'll have access to a library. You can click on that library here and choose the video that should go for this particular lesson. Or you can also embed videos as shown before. In the curriculum, I can just leave the page here, get back to a lesson type, switch lesson type here, and click on embed. And this allows you to embed a code from YouTube or Vimeo and Vistia, and you can add it here. You can also add text that helps you to add more content to be in context with your particular lesson. You can also add additional and specific downloads for that particular lesson, and you also have lesson settings individual for that lesson, such as enabling discussions for the lesson or to remove margins on the course player, especially if you're using Payhip videos, or if you can make this particular lesson a free preview lesson so that people can get a taste of how your course looks like even before they sign up for the course, and you can obviously publish a lesson or not. So you have all of these options right here, and you can repeat this process to complete your particular course, add your lessons and sections as you go along. You can add a section on the top right corner by clicking on new section. If you're done with that, you can also drag and rearrange your modules and lessons the way you feel fit. And that's how your lesson interface or course interface on Payhip courses looks like. You also have a few options specific to the courses on the top particular navigation here. You have what is called as settings, which will allow you to add a particular profile image for the product. So you can add a custom image for the product itself, which is the course in this case. You can also change the final URL of your particular product. So Payhip by default gives you a string of characters or numbers, which might make it very hard for you to understand or listen or remember, and also for you to share on social media or elsewhere. If you would like to promote, you would like to have an easier name to remember. So you can actually change that by clicking on this little button here, edit, and change the name to whatever it is that you would like to change it to. So this particular course in question has newsletters as the name of the particular course. So your default URL, which you will create by using a subdomain, which I have covered in detail in other videos on this series for Payhip. You will notice that you can have your subdomain such as learn.yourdomain.com or get.yourdomain.com or store.yourdomain.com /b and / the name of your particular product, whatever that product might be. In this case, it's courses. So you can add your course name here. You can also choose to add your other details, which is the course instructor in this case, and add your profile image here. I know that's not a very pretty image, but that's all I have for now. So you also have option of clicking on pages. This is where you will get the sales page or the landing page for your product, which is the course in this case. You also have a specific checkout page individual for that course. You also have a thank you page that builds for this course. These are great and necessary for you to do marketing and for tracking and analytics and things of that sort. You also have the option of pricing your product. I price this particular product for free, but you can edit it and add your pricing here. Please do remember that Payhip also handles VAT compliance and other such compliances, including tax compliances, depending on where you're from and what you need to get your course business up and running. You also have a tab called Students, which gives you a complete list and view of all the students who enrolled for this course. You also have the option of quizzes, surveys, assignments, and comments specific for these particular students that you could manage. So I'm going to get back to the products tab here, get back to my manage tab for the particular course that I'm trying to show you. You also have a new feature called certificates, which Payhip recently launched, which is a great way to award your students as they complete their course. So you can create a custom certificate which is on brand and help them receive a certificate after they finish their particular course. Now, there are also several other features on Payhip that I have covered in detail. There are also a few other videos in this particular YouTube series that I have available that you can go take a look at, that covers Payhip Analytics and Payhip Dashboard and Payhip Store Builder and Payhip Marketing and things of that sort. As a refresher, I'm going to click on the marketing tab, which is ultra powerful, and I'm a marketer, so I love these features. You can add coupons, you can create coupons and share them and give one-time offers. You also have a feature called social discounts. You also have a tool called affiliates. You can recruit affiliates to help market and promote your particular courses or individual products or your entire store itself. So you can recruit affiliates and have them promote for a percentage fee that they will get after you successfully sell your courses or your other products. You also have mailing lists that you could create. I have connected it with MailChimp. You have the store builder. And if you take the subscription for Payhip videos, which is at about $9 a month, you also have access to video library, which by default also gives you access to the course player or the video player, depending on what product you're selling. You can also sell videos individually. This is how the dashboard looks like. This is how the new Payhip courses feature looks like. And if you'd like to get a copy, I would highly encourage you to go get a copy at fetchprofit.com /Payhip and get yourself a copy and follow along and get started with experimenting with your new courses, creating content for your new courses, and promoting your new courses by using all the marketing features and several other features that are available. Please do remember that Payhip allows you a full-fledged platform to help sell your courses without any restrictions whatsoever on what you can or what you cannot do with respect to customizing your landing pages, customizing your storefront, customizing individual products, using any of the marketing features, or access to analytics, or access to the store builder, in which you can edit the entire store or individual pages of your store. That's all there is for this video. If you have any questions, please do feel free to share them in the comments below. Please do talk to me about it if you have any questions or insights. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ash from Fetch Profit signing out.